What's going on, everybody? Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Siri AI if it's not working for you. And what I mean is, I've seen a few posts where people are talking about how it's not detecting messages, calendar events, reminders, that kind of thing. So if you ask it about like personal context for a message with somebody, or some content in messages or your calendar app, and it's just not finding anything, all you need to do is go into settings here, go down right here where general is, scroll down a little bit more, and right above Siri there's an option that says search. And what you need to do is you need to go down to your apps down here, and for example we'll go down to messages, and they're just in alphabetical order. So we'll go down to messages here, and you need to make sure that the bottom toggle is on, the show content and search. If we turn that off, when was the last time I had a message with John?
Which John are you referring to? I couldn't find any messages.
See, it'll tell you that it couldn't find any messages, even though I just talked to him yesterday. So if you turn that back on, then it will be able to find your messages. And that goes for any app that is supported with the new personal context. If you have that turned off, it will block Siri from finding any messages because it works with this search field up here. So if you had a previous version of iOS and you turn that off so you didn't have certain app content showing up in there when you search through your phone, disabling that also disables the Siri personal context feature for that particular app. So you need to go in there and make sure that is turned on for each app that you want Siri personal context to work with. That's all you have to do. It doesn't have anything to do with your phone still indexing if it is. Doesn't have anything to do with it being broken. It's just that setting. I had that turned off. I don't know when I turned it off, probably like 8 versions of iOS ago, and I've always just been restoring from backups. So when this came out, I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. And then I finally found that setting was turned off for messages, and I think messages, the phone app, and mail. And once I turned all those back on, boom, I had personal context with all those apps, and it was working perfectly fine. So make sure you turn that on, and your new Siri will be working great.